All right, Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague. The sixth Parshas Shmini, in the book of Leviticus, chapter 11, verse 8, we read concerning the various non-kosher animals. It says, of their flesh ye shall not eat, and their carcasses ye shall not touch. They are unclean to you. This is something that's quite often misunderstood, that many people believe that there's a prohibition against touching non-kosher meat, but that's not actually the case. So Rashi explains, this is a case where if one goes by the sola scriptura, he winds up being more strict than according to the tradition that God gave to Moses at Sinai and was passed down through the rabbinical tradition. Rashi says, when you read this very plainly, you believe that there's a prohibition against any Jew, an Israelite who's not a priest, to touch a non-kosher meat. However, Leviticus 21 verse 1 says, speak unto the priests. The only priests have this particular rule of becoming impure, that it's a sin to become impure, and Israelites are not. So logically, if that's the case, it's the same thing here. Now the priests are prohibited from tumas meis, from the impurity of the dead. A priest, even today, cannot go to a cemetery except for a funeral of certain close relatives. So since the more strict type of impurity is only prohibited to a priest, when it comes to the impurity of a non-kosher animal, which is less strict than the impurity of a dead person, all the more so. So why does Scripture say don't touch the dead bodies of non-kosher animals or non-kosher meat at all? So it says beregel, that during the pilgrimage holidays of Passover, Pentecost, and Tabernacles, Pesach, Shavuos, and Sukkot, then one has to be careful not to touch the non-kosher meat because he's going to the temple. Meaning, anytime he's going to the temple making a pilgrimage, then he has to be careful about touching the non-kosher meat. But in general, to touch non-kosher meat, you're not allowed to. It's not a sin to touch the non-kosher meat. It's only a sin to eat the non-kosher meat. That's what Rashi explains, and it's based in the Gemara Rosh Hashanah. Tes Zayin Amud Beis 16b, the Sifra and Shmini. So the Heilige Zayda Maharal in Prague explains like Sigo Beregel. What does it mean you don't touch the non-kosher meat on the holidays, on the pilgrimage holidays? Because the Israelites, meaning non-priests, have to go make a pilgrimage and bring sacrifices on the pilgrimage holidays. So therefore, when the Scripture is saying don't touch, meaning when it says you can't eat it, that's all the time. When it says don't touch the non-kosher meat, that's only talking about when you're going to the temple, making aliyah l'regel, making the pilgrimage to the temple, which would be on the holidays when all Israelites are required to make the pilgrimage, or really any time that one would be going to the temple. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later.